let's get a photo.
This was a great day. We hiked up Berry Picker. I heard a patient call it butt kicker. But this hike is a pretty stout hike. It's 3.2 miles, 2,300 feet of elevation. I think I was the last one up that hill. These patients put me to shame. It was just a great day to celebrate everything they've been through with their knee replacements and hip replacements and getting them back to doing what they enjoy doing. It's one of my favorite days of the year. Just a lot of great stories, a lot of great human experiences, journeys.
I couldn't even walk. I was in crutches.
She crashed and tore up her knee when we were skiing, and I thought, well, I guess that's life. We had a good run. We tried different things and nothing worked.
I had it done last year in August, so 13 months. We ski, we sail, I hunt. I could not do any of it. It gave me back my life.
Before and afters, and the befores were literally off of a cliff. But he made them absolutely straight. And so now I can actually walk and I can ride and I can do whatever I need to do because of him.
So Jesse's case is very unique. So we'll use Steve's t-shirt as a little x-ray view box here, but she had a pretty significant deformity which required a lot of carpentry to straighten them out. It's fun to see both of you up there on the mountain today.
He's wonderful. He's wonderful.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. A chance for patients to connect with each other and a great way for our staff to see the product of their efforts and work. So a fun day.
I can't thank you enough.
Oh, you're welcome.